Here we have the control board ready for setup. The iPad is placed, and we're starting from scratch. We begin by mounting the PIERRE controller securely onto the board. Once that's done, we move on to adding the remaining components in a logical sequence. First, we start with mounting the PIERRE power supply unit, which is essential for the system's operation. After that, we add the circuit breaker. Next, we mount the grounding terminal. After that, we proceed by installing the screw terminal, followed by two black and blue 2-conductor through terminal block. After that, we add the screw terminal, and lastly, we add the WAGO 249 series end stop for use with DIN rail 35. Once all the main components are in place, we secure them firmly. Let's continue by completing the power connections. First, we connect the main power wires, neutral, phase, and ground. Starting with the neutral wire, we carefully attach it to the power supply's terminal. Next, we connect the neutral wire to the screw terminal, ensuring it is securely fixed. After that, we connect a phase wire to the circuit breaker. Next step would be to connect a neutral wire to the power supply, 12V/1.25 AUMPRs 15 watts, DIN. And a phase wire to the circuit breaker. Since we are using a non-metallic enclosure, we skip the ground connection for now. After securing all the connections, we proceed to connect the low current section. For the low current section, we start by connecting the 12-volt positive wire from the power supply to the PIERRE controller's input terminal. Following this, we attach the ground wire from the power supply to the controller's ground terminal. Once all power connections are complete, we take a moment to check that everything is neatly arranged. We carefully organize the wires and attach them securely using self-adhesive black cable tie mounts. These mounts allow us to fasten the cables in place with zip ties, keeping everything neatly arranged and securely positioned throughout the setup, ensuring a clean and professional finish. Now it's time to power up the system. We plug in the Ethernet cable and switch on the circuit breaker. Instantly, the power LED and the PIERRE controller's LED light up, indicating that the system is successfully powered. We then open the Partner app to begin configuration. Upon opening the app, the controller is immediately detected. We proceed to add the controller as we click on Add New Controller, and the controller starts to flicker, indicating we chose the right controller. Next, we are assigning it a unique name, PIERRE Academy. Next, we configure the network settings by selecting Ethernet with DHCP and save the configuration. After a brief moment, the controller updates its status and comes online, indicated by the green LED. This confirms that the controller is now fully operational and ready for further configuration. And that's it, the setup is complete, everything is in place and functioning as expected. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.